best website to make money online. If you want to earn extra cash, turn to these money making websites. You don't always have to spend money to make money. If you want to launch a side gig to generate regular part-time income, or if you are looking for some quick extra cash, their website can help you do it. Consider these top resources to make money online: Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Etsy.com, TaskRabbit.com, Vendor.com, ThreadUp.com, SwipeUp.com, Gazelle.com, Cardster.com, OfferUp.com, Neighbor.com, and Merchup by Amazon. Depending on whether you are looking to earn extra money quickly or build a long-term income stream, each of the following websites offer unique advantages and sometimes disadvantages tailored to different needs and interests. Read on for more information on each site. Upwork, how it works. Upwork is essentially a meeting site where business and freelancers throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain projects. Business hire freelancers for a variety of different services, including writing, web design, running SEO campaigns, and pretty much any work that can be done on a computer. Highlight: Upwork takes a commission from 5% to 20%, but the more money you make, the less commission is. Drawbacks: Upwork has been so successful that there is a lot of competition on the website, and that can be a real drawback for people who are new to the site, says Sacha Da Rosa, owner of a digital marketing agency in Toronto called the Shirtless Web Guy. Before I started my business in web design, I created profiles on websites such as Upwork. In the beginning, it was a struggle to attract any attention from buyer on those platforms because there's so much competition, and much of the competition was from overseas, which made it impossible for me to compete with other on price. So Darosa lowered his prices, and for a while he was working for next to nothing, but the positive feedback made his profile look better, and Darosa started charging more. However, this is also a popular website that can be harmful for freelancers. Know something about digital animation. You can work for someone who doesn't have these skills and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web research for someone for fast cash. Highlights: you can make a good money from the site asserts Dan Bocchicchio, a web designer and a designer the strategist in Albany, New York, who runs a two-person company called Bokeh Designs. He says that his firm makes 3,000 to $5,000 a month from Fiverr. To stay ahead of the competition, I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig description are well written and communicate the value of the services I'm offering. When someone reaches out to me, I make sure to reply as quick as I can and follow up with to inquiry by asking good question. A quick but carefully written reply will increase the odds of them hiring you drastically. And Pachicho says drawbacks. Pachicho's success aside, Fiverr's name comes from the fact that many people used to work for a $5 a task you can ask for and arguably should, but a lot of your prospective clients are probably expecting you to wait for next to nothing. It's see how it works. If you're artistic and are the type of person who can make custom jewelry or refrigerator magnets, Etsy is the place to sell your products. Highlights: it's easy to navigate the site and set up a shop. Drawbacks: there's a lot of competition on the website. On one hand, the branding is big and a lot of people know about Etsy. But once you put up your wares as up the Upwork and Fiverr, you are one in a gazillion people selling stuff on Etsy. It may feel a little overwhelming. TaskRabbit, how it works? Are you willing to get your hands dirty? People come to this site to find those willing to do various tasks such as putting together a bookcase, cleaning a garage, or running an errand. Do as many tasks as you want. This could become quite a part-time or full-time job.